Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. I'm your host, Josh Waterford, and today we're learning about guidelines in NeoVim. So let's jump right in. First up, what do I mean by guidelines? There are plugins out there that can put guidelines in your NeoVim setup, but as we all know, the more plugins you add to your NeoVim setup, the longer the startup time will be for said setup. Because of this, we'll be using a native NeoVim feature called Set Color Column. Currently, I have set color column set to column number 80. So at column number 80, you can see I have a faded line here. However, in this specific example, I want to make a table. A table that has 4 different columns, meaning we'll need 3 color columns here. So I'll do set color column equal to 20, 40, and 60. Thanks to this, we have a color column here, here, and here, at columns number 20, 40, and 60, respectively. Now, you have to go and do each of these individually. However, NeoVim autofits each item to the beginning of the columns when you press Tab. For example, if I start pressing Tab, it moves auto to the first space after the column. Move to genre, it does the same thing, and does the same thing when I move to rating. Now, to give you guys the final output of this, I did it on this tab. And as you can see, we now have our table that can be made without a single plugin added to your NeoVim setup. But that's it for today's episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. If you enjoyed today's episode, then like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future episodes, drop a comment below. Until then, see you next time.